Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the DAFID application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the DAFID application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Now, let me actually close it and open it again, like this. And once you open the application, you will see the home page. Now you can tap on the device icon right here at the bottom to open the device page. And here we have the device page for our S2 smartwatch. On the page, you should see the watch faces category. You can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. Scroll through the category, find the option called Face Gallery, and tap on it. And this will open the gallery with the watch faces you can download on your watch. Scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you like to use on your watch, and tap on it to select it. For example, maybe this one. Let's tap on it. And once you select the watch face, you can tap on the download button to download and install it on your watch. And after it's done installing or downloading, it should be applied on your watch, as you can see. And now we can close the application. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.